And I want to share a technique with you where you could see trades almost every single day, especially if you're trading more than one market. Okay, so the first step in this approach is pretty much marking out where the high and the low end of each market session is. There's mainly three types of market sessions. There's the Asia session, there's the London session, and then there's the New York session, right? In this case, I'm looking at this area here as the high end of New York session, okay? And it encompasses of this high and this high, okay? New York closes right around here. And for the low end of the New York session, so this is the low end of the New York session. So I have these two areas marked out. Okay, what I want to see is on the next session. So for example, I have marked out the New York session. The next session would be the Asia session. I want to see power coming into the next session and a breach happening, that breach beyond either the top end of the New York session or the low end of the New York session. That's important because that shows that there is bigger players in the market. At around 8 a.m., that's where Asia session has opened and it has breached beyond this area. As soon as that breach happened, all I need to do is look for clear support equals resistance area and see if we can get a pullback into that area and then look for a retest buy, right? And this also happens to be an SNR in the market, right? So if we drag this out, we can clearly see price pulls back into that area, right? We see some strong rejection and then we see what, at UF trading, we call a V formation. Now, when we see the V formation happening, it's pretty much as simple as getting in on the pullback into this area if you get a pullback, right? And then pretty much going up, targeting the recent high, which is right around there. And this would give you a very quick 1.3 hour trade.